So we got some potential not leaked, just renders of the iPhone Fold. And to be honest, this is just an iPad. I'm sorry, but this is just an iPad. I'm tired of this iPhone Fold. It's going to be 12.6 inches. At what point do we just say, guys, it's an iPad? I feel like at some point we just accept the fact that this is an iPad and we move on. Because this right here, iPhone Fold, is an iPad. It really is, plain and simple. But yeah, so this is what the concept right now is for most of these renders. And I still will say, I think there should be no iPhone Fold. This is idiotic in my opinion for Apple. If they go with this route, it makes no sense. You should go with the flippable phone route. First off, it's cheaper to manufacture. You bring down the price tag to something more reasonable, something like $1,400-$1,500. I know that's a lot, but for Apple, it's more reasonable. Because if you go with a Fold, right, an iPhone Fold, which is, again, going to be 12.6 inches, if the rumors are correct, it's going to be like $3,000. And, well, yes, I know the Apple Vision Pro came out, and that was like, what, $4,000 fully maxed out. Let's just calm down with this concept of we're going to make the most expensive product possible that the general public cannot buy. Even $1,500 is a lot, but at least there's going to be that kind of like incentive of, okay, well, you trade in your iPhone, you can lower that price down to potentially, I don't know, probably like $1,000, like $900, right? At least if you have the latest and greatest iPhone, maybe you lower it down to $800. Like, there's ways to get that price down even more, and then it makes realistic sense to pick up. It's not going to be realistic sense to get an iPhone Fold. It just isn't. It isn't logical, other than Apple just trying to flex a thing that they can make it. Right? That's really all this is, oh, we can make it. Now, again, they did the same thing with the Apple Vision Pro. They flexed that they can make an amazing product, and they did. Apple Vision Pro is amazing. I recently picked it up about a month ago, and I absolutely love it. Still not better than the Meta Quest 3. I don't care what anyone says. I own a Meta Quest 3, I own a Apple Vision Pro, and I own a PSVR 2. And I'm going to tell you right now, the most amazing graphics I've ever seen in any VR headset, is the PSVR 2. It is better than the Apple Vision Pro, in my opinion, when it comes to like pure looking into it. Obviously, OLED display. Apple Vision Pro also has an OLED display. Meta Quest has an LCD display. But when it comes to the full package, Meta Quest 3, just so much more to do with Meta Quest Link and stuff like that. It's better than the Apple Vision Pro. Apple Vision Pro is better looking graphically than the Meta Quest 3. The PSVR is better than both, period. Like, for looks, not overall wise. Meta Quest 3. Okay, this is not a Meta Quest 3 video, but that's beside the point. We are sponsored by Meta. I'm affiliated with Meta though. So that is not me giving a viewpoint based on who I'm affiliated with. I'm actually affiliated with the Meta Smart Glasses. The Meta Smart Glasses is what they're called. So the AI glasses. So that's what I'm actually affiliated with. I always have a link down below in my description if you'd like to check it out. The Ray-Bans. I'm actually affiliated with that. I'm not affiliated with anything Meta Quest or anything like that, but I just, from a personal use standpoint, Meta Quest 3 is the best. It is better than the Apple Vision Pro. It is better than the PSVR overall wise. My whole point in this is iPhone Fold makes no sense. It really doesn't. So let's stop this entertaining crap of this device. I just think it just doesn't make sense. Go with an iPhone Flip, Apple, and you'll sell a lot more units overall wise. Peace out.